Hello everybody. We are going to paint a very basic autumn painting which is very vibrant and colorful. And as you can see, I'm going to use a sponge and I have cut it into small squares so that it is easy to use it. And I start off with a very bright orange. This painting really does not have any color restrictions. You can go on with any bright colors that you like. You can even go on to use blues, which I have not used too much. I have just played around between orange, yellows, and reds. So that is your preference completely. As you can see, once I take one color on the sponge, I use it wherever I want to put it, not only in one place. What I have done is I have taken the pyrrole orange and I have added cadmium red to it once. I have used it pure. I have also added cadmium yellow medium to it later on. And now you can see that we are making the reflections. As you keep on adding different colors, you can just make the reflections then and there, so you don't have to keep going back to the color. Also, the sponge is not very dry, it is nice and damp, and I have dipped it completely in water and then just ensured that I removed all the water from the sponge, so it's nice and damp, so it picks up the color well. As you can see, I am just adding a color and then also doing the reflection in the water. You can decide which color you want as a predominant color. Here I've kind of taken a balance of orange and green. For green, of course, I'm going to give a highlight by mixing permanent green with cadmium yellow medium and then spreading it all over the canvas. You can see here that I'm not really pressing the sponge into the canvas. It is just using the texture of the canvas, so I am kind of just touching it on the canvas, checking if the impression is fine and moving along. You need to take care of the shapes as well. You can see here that all the shapes are like trees and bushes, slightly triangular, oval, circular. Yeah, so please take care of the shapes. That is going to define the complete look of the painting. Now what I have done is, after I'm done with the reflections, I just kind of drag the sponge on the reflection in a horizontal way, but again very lightly, so that the effect of water is just there. Here I have used a dryer to dry the painting because it has a lot of texture. It might take a lot of time, but you need not use a dryer. You can just leave it to dry for nice 6-7 hours for it to dry properly, and then you can do the final layer of the trees. All these are birch trees, so we give it in white, titanium white. You can mix a little bit of burnt sienna, or you can even mix a little bit of orange to it to kind of give a slight shade. Make sure to make the reflection of the tree as soon as you make the tree, because that way you know exactly how the thickness is and how much height you want to take. So it's better to make it just then and there. Now show a very prominent line which demarks the water and the land area. So you can do it with burnt sienna, black and orange put together. And with a very fine brush you can make a few branches here and there. Try and make a few in the reflections as well if you can. Now we give the details on the barks of the birch trees. That is the beauty of those trees. So you don't have to make it very intricate, but because they are far off, you just show a little bit of detail. We do it with black and brown mixed together, or just black. You can see how beautiful and vibrant the painting looks, and even the reflections, though they are very subtle, they play a very important role in the painting to give it a little bit of depth and to enhance the beauty of the painting. We make some water lines using the knife, and in this way we come to the end of the painting. I hope you really enjoyed making this painting. It's a very quick painting, even kids can attempt this. It is very easy and a fun painting. You can use as many colors as you want. You can use one color and grade it completely. So it's a beautiful painting. Hope you enjoy making this. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.